Hello everyone, I am back once again with a new video in which I am going to ask some of the question to my student, and her name is Mansi, and she will give me answer whenever I will ask question to her. Okay, so we are going to ask the question of chapter number 2, acid, base and salt, class 10. Your first question is, what is acid?
Acid is sour in taste. It generates H plus ions and its color change blue to red.
Which type of ion acid produces?
H plus ions.
Okay, that's amazing. Define base.
Base bitter in sour, it generates OH negative ions and its color change red to blue.
What is neutralization reaction?
An acid with base it forms salt and water is called neutralization.
Name any one olfactory indicator.
Vanilla.
Name one acid which we found in a curd.
The acid present in curd is called lactic acid.
Name the acid which we found in spinach.
The acid found in spinach is called oxalic acid.
You just have to say one strongest base.
Strongest base KOH potassium hydroxide.
Weak base.
Weak base K.
Okay, that's okay. So we have H2SO4. It's kind of acid. You just have to say the name of it.
Sulfuric acid.
Okay, that's fine. Name the acid which present in our stomach.
Hydrochloric acid.
Hydrochloric. And formula of it.
HCl.
Okay. Could you please tell me the range of pH in acid rain?
The range of pH acid rain pH 5.6 below.
Okay, 5.6 below. Okay, if pH of any solution is more than 7, so which type of variety it contain in them?
Basic.
Basis. That's amazing. Okay, so my last question is for you. In our teeth, we have a layer on the surface of it. So you just have to say the layer name of that.
The layer present in our teeth is called enamel. Enamel.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. So she has spoken well. Okay, so let's clap for yourself. Okay.